How's it going, everyone? It's Ace here from Romany Custom Catapult. So I've got a new build to show you all. First of all, I'd like to apologise for my dog Fred. I'm not sure whether you can hear him. I'd be surprised if you couldn't. It's almost like he knows it's Friday, so he just wants to bark and bark and bark. Like he's just staring over, constantly barking. Like I say, it's like he knows it's Friday. Anyway, to the build. Say hello to the Unknown Artefact Raptor, or in more detail, the Unknown Alien Artefact Raptor. So first of all, we'll have a little look. Let's see what you all think. This build compromises of carbon fibre and G10 as a backbone, the main structure of the build. Now it's 7 layers. You've got, for the back bit, 2 layers of carbon and 2 layers of very thin black G10, and then for the front bit there's a further 3 layers of the same, 2 layers carbon, 1 layer black G10. So as you can see, there we go, you can see all those layers in there. The black G10 just breaks it up, makes it look that little bit better, in my opinion. Now the front piece, I wanted to mess up completely, not just mess the pattern up but lose the pattern, because I wanted like a graphite look to it, almost like the colour of a lead pencil. But it turns out this material, this carbon fibre I'm using, is very good quality, and I couldn't lose the pattern completely. I could only mess it up, so that's what I did. Then here you have a piece of 3mm carbon on its side, so you see the lines go through. That's the angled split, and this top piece of material, it's like a galactic stone, is one piece, believe it or not. That's carbon thread going through it. It's got activated carbon in it, glow powder. You can almost see the green under the surface there glowing. But it looks like 2 layers. You see, when I cut this piece of material, I cut it very strategically, knowing that that angle was there, and it almost looks like we've got the carbon here, the carbon spacer there that I put in. It looks like another piece of material placed in the middle there, and then another piece of carbon going across, and then the top piece. So it was really well played, I think, by me to get that look. Carbon pins. The lanyard pin on this is titanium, which I really like. Single optic, dimensions are custom for the user. What's that? Gone. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. Also, this design, it's a adolescent in size. It's 85mm outer with 22mm tips. But what I've done, I took a little bit away off the back of the handle, so the back of the handle's slightly more straighter rather than it coming out and going off here. So there's about 3mm of bulk taken off the back of the handle. Now, someone that doesn't know much about Raptors and my design wouldn't really notice that, but anyone that does will notice it. And the reason why I've done that for is so the fingers just wrap round even more. Now, I'm not saying my design needs that, because my design I feel is perfect as it is, and a few people has told me that, more than a few. But it's just something I wanted to tinker around with a little bit more. I'm not doing it on every one, but I did it on this one because I know it'll suit the owner. Also, it made me slim the handle down a lot more. And if you look, there's a slight dip on both sides. You can see how the pattern's changed. Again, you see a dip there, and it just, small things just add. But I'm really happy with it. Unknown Alien Artefact Raptor. And that glows seriously. I'm gonna you could almost use it as a torch. What I'll do is I'll include some glow photos at the end of this video to show you all. But yeah, that's the alien artifact. Unknown alien artifact, because let's be honest, anyone that didn't really know their catapults would look at that and think, what the hell is it? Because it doesn't exactly look like a generic catapult. So from me and Fred, have a cracking weekend, and we'll see you all soon. Cheers all, and thanks for watching.